All right, guys. Our Spartan warriors.
We got a Spartan and we got a gladiator.
I love being a gladiator.
Cool. You can battle to the death now.
This is super special, bro.
Okay.
Yeah. Dad found this one.
I'm gonna see if you can guess what it is. Here
It's in Greek.
It's in Greek?
It's in Greek.
Yeah.
You know what that says?
No.
It says Jude in Greek.
Really?
Yeah. We had to put it on there with your name and your number.
Yeah.
So
Here, show me. Show us.
Thank you. Oh,
I bet you're
wow.
the only one on your team with a Greek shirt.
Dude,
Yeah.
yeah.
Let us see the back.
That's so cool.
Oh, wow.
It says Jude.
Also, it's
in
my number.
Greek.
It's fine.
And it's your number.
It's my number. Oh, that's so cool.
Also, Jude
And
the
we've also
dude.
got- yeah.
Some Greek mythology playing cards.
Oh, no. Thank you.
Okay, so I have some Greek beach towels.
Oh,
And there's different colors, and then like the cool, like Greek.
I think that was my favorite. Yeah.
thank you so much.
Yeah, and the Spartan Warrior T-shirt.
Oh, that's just cool.
So
Wear that
cool.
That is so cool. You can be our little Spartan Warrior. And Linky too. He's taking a nap, but he'll be up
Yes.
soon.
These look so bright.
Look at that one. Show Daddy, say cheese. Cheese.
Hi. Aw, thank you. Oh, I missed you. How was school?
Good.
Your hair looks awesome. What are you doing, bud?
Good job.
You coming down?
Taking some steps.
What's up, beautiful people? We are here at the RV, which,
Yay!
fun story, gonna be our house for the next
Few weeks.
however many weeks or days or whatever.
We're like so close to the house being
We're
finished.
so close.
But our apartment lease just ran out and they
Yeah.
have new renters in, and so we
Yeah.
weren't able to extend it, and we are a few weeks away from being able to move in. You can probably
Yeah.
hear the workers in the background. They're finishing like the last bit of tile and that kind of stuff.
Yeah.
We're weeks away, but it's just the way that it's lining up. We have to move back into the RV for a few weeks.
So we got home from Greece last night and we were like,
Yeah.
shoot, we've got like a day and a half to be out. So we are taking the whole day to move, and then tomorrow we're gonna be completely out,
Yeah.
moving back into the RV for a few whiles. Few whiles? I don't even know
For
what
a
that
while.
means. But you know what I
We're
mean.
jet lagged, guys. We
We're
are
so
like
tired.
super jet lagged. And we're moving. My mom's
Yeah.
here to help, so that's really great. And we already have some stuff in boxes, but and also Steven is smoking a brisket so that we can like feed all the kids and just have like a reserve of food.
Yeah, the kids were like, Dad, you're coming home and you should make a brisket. And so last night we got back, I put the brisket on, so it's just about ready. They're all headed over this way. We're gonna eat. It's gonna be amazing, guys.
Also, I did want to say this was the kids' idea because we were in Greece on Steven's 40th birthday and they really wanted to do like a special meal together. So you guys know we love brisket. That's like one of our favorite kind of special meals.
He's got his
brisket.
Spartan shirt on. We got him from Greece.
Yeah.
We did get them like these Spartan helmets, and we got them some like weapons, whatever, you know. Yeah, like they were like olive wood, like a slingshot and a sword, and we had their name engraved on it. And when we got to the airport, they were like, "It is forbidden," and they took it away.
They threw it in the trash right in front of us. That was
we were
really
so sad. We didn't know that that would be an issue because it's like olive wood, like it's a toy. It's clearly
I made sure like the olive oil and the wine and stuff that we packed was in the check bags, but I thought that was going to be fine to just carry on, but it was not.
Yeah. So the kids played with their gel blasters last night and did their Spartan helmet gel blaster war, which is maybe the coolest thing that's ever happened in all of the world. So pretty fun stuff.
Got a last minute delivery of some of the tile we were waiting on. And since we just finished dinner, we were like, well, let's help unload it. We got stuff for the, we got stuff for the shower surround that they were putting in today and tomorrow, now that we've got the rest of the tile, thank goodness. And we're gonna get the rest of it put in. Oh, wow. Yeah, they also were finishing up the porch here. We've still got to put the cedar beams and the flooring, but that looks really nice. Bye-bye. He's saying bye to Mr. Jason.
Look at that guy.
Big Daddy's back.
Ooh, doggy.
So since Kira got her license recently, she's been running a lot of errands for us. So she picked the avocados from the store, and may I just say they are perfect. Thank you. You're a very good avocado picker.
Thank you.
So the girls and I are going to show my mom the progress on the house. We have to be very careful because they're working on it right now, as you can hear. But I'm really excited because there's just so much progress. We're so close to being able to move in, but it's just not quite ready yet.
So close.
So close. Also, our refrigerator just came in, so we need to move that inside. I think it's supposed to start raining soon, so we definitely need to get that inside, but it is really beautiful, and it's going to match our cabinets as well, and so we'll have the cabinet panels on the front of it, but I'm so excited. Linky, are you ready to eat some food? Yeah, you ready to eat some food? That's so nice. You're giving everybody hugs, huh? It's because he smells the brisket.
Yeah, probably.
Oh, he's so excited.
I love it. I love it.
This is a straight up.
Oh
yeah.
Tell me about.
She looks like a little dolly.
Or you can do it right.
Just a tight fit. Best guac in the world. Lincoln agrees. He's like squealing from happiness. So it's starting to rain, and we're gonna head back to the apartment in a minute and finish packing up some more. Tomorrow's our last day in the apartment.
Big day,
but
long day.
Very long day, but we just hung out with our contractor a little bit. He was dropping off tile and various things and just talking through that timeline. And so most everything is gonna be done in the next 10 days.
Yeah.
He said worst case scenario, we'd be in the house in 3 weeks, but hopefully not that long. And so we're very excited, but we have a lot of scrambling to do to get moved out of the apartment and into this RV for the next few weeks. It's just how it's gonna be.
Busy.
We can do this. We can do this. I need a really good night's sleep tonight because I'm definitely feeling the jet lag. We're gonna get it done, and I just keep telling myself it's only a couple of days and then we'll be able to rest. So I'm gonna make it happen.
Bye, apartment. You were good to us.
Once there was this family who moved back into their RV because their home wasn't finished, and when they finally moved in, they cried and ate a whole lot of ice cream.
To cope with the pain.
Couldn't quite explain it.
You're gonna sing that whole song, aren't you?
It's a real hard thing to explain if you don't understand.
I wanted to say, because I don't think we were vlogging earlier. Earlier today, we came over here and we had dinner with the kids and dropped them off, and then Steven and I went back and finished cleaning and just getting the last few things done. So we are just deliriously tired.
And we're still
but
jet lagged, so it's like, I told Amanda as we were going back over to clean, I was like, I'm hitting a wall right now. I feel like it's the middle of the night. And
like standing up, and I'm like trying to keep my eyes open.
Yeah.
So we're gonna be going to bed very, very soon. But the kids, we got them some ice cream as kind of a little bit of a celebration, kind of
They're
moving back
pretty
into the
happy.
RV. For a few
Yay!
weeks. I asked the kids, I was like, should we have some ice cream to celebrate that we're back in the RV? And Penelope said something that I just cracked up with. What did you say,
I
Penny?
say, we die, we don't die, we live together.
Yeah. she's
We
like,
die together, we live together.
Yeah,
Yeah, it's so funny.
That's
But
awesome.
that's the spirit, right, guys?
That's the spirit.
We're in it together. We're gonna make it through it together, and in a few weeks we will be in our house together. And so one last hurrah for the RV. It's been good to us, and right now it's not like negative temperatures like last time
it's
we were living
warm,
in it.
but not too warm. So it's like the perfect. It's like everything was dead. There was nothing on the trees, and it is so green. We came back, the whole area is just like
Yeah, you gotta mow tomorrow.
spring has sprung. I've got to mow. The grass is really green.
Yeah.
And tall and lush.
But for now,
So-
we're going to get these kids into bed, and we're going to get a very, very good night's sleep.
Hopefully. We might wake up in the middle of the night.
No.
Because I think it's...
No, I'm so tired. I'm sleeping through the night tonight for sure.
Okay.
This is the best ice cream flavor ever.
Wow.
That's not going in.
Cheers.
That's
I'm so low energy.
going in.
Cheers. Say good morning. Oh, good morning. Are you singing a song? There's Daddy. He's getting the fire going. You know what? It's a little big right now.
You doing a fire pit with
Daddy's gonna do the fire.
Can't live in an RV without a fire pit.
This is so overgrown from when we lived here last time. Like,
Yeah.
all the mulch is gone. It's not really worth it to put anything down because we're gonna be in the house in a couple of weeks, and we'll be doing a fire pit area. Probably over there. Just kind of turn this whole area into more like kids space.
Only I'm happy for this because of this.
Penelope has brought out a sweet potato, which is her like all-time favorite food. You're gonna try to roast that over it?
Yeah, that's how they do in China.
I think we might need to like wrap it in foil and set it over, right?
Unfortunately, we don't have
She's like, we don't have any.
Yeah, we're out of foil. Okay. We can try it. It might take a while. Maybe we should boil it a little bit first and then put it over it.
No, honestly, I just saw they just throw it in there. My
You
mom
just throw it
did
in?
that. They just throw it in there.
And then just
and
take
then
it out?
Just, like, have talk a little bit, you know, and then it's like, oh, it's time to take it out, taking it out.
So we'll just talk a little bit and then we'll
Yeah,
just pull it out of the fire. Like that. It's a great place for a sweet potato. Lincoln's like, yay, more wood. Are you tired?
Well, guys, it has turned out to be quite a lovely weekend, and that's a good thing because while we're in this RV, we want to spend as much time outside as we possibly can. Hence the fire pit, which we would do anyway, let's just be
Yeah,
honest. Even if we were in the house, we would be celebrating with some sort of fire pit, so it seems fitting. And so we're gonna go ahead and sign off and just enjoy some s'mores, some hot dogs, all the good stuff whenever the boys come back over from playing with the neighbors. But we love you guys.
It does kind of feel good to be back. I know we keep talking about
It
like it's
does.
crazy to be back in the RV.
It simplifies life, and it does feel like it's a step forward at least.
Yeah.
Like we know we're almost at the finish line. So
And I was like making Lincoln breakfast this morning and like looking out the window and just seeing the home that is like so close to being finished.
Yeah.
And it feels so different because the last time we were in the RV, it was like
It's
just
shell.
framing.
Yeah.
And that was a lot harder. That felt a little bit like scarier, not scarier, but just sad. Like that you're just wanting the progress, and that we were still so far from finishing. And now we're super, super close. So I am very grateful for that. And the kids are so happy to have their friends right next door, and they've just spent outside all day.
There's sweet potatoes.
Sweet potatoes, fishing. The kids fished most of the afternoon. Penelope went fishing with the boys too and caught one.
She did.
And then lost her phone in the creek.
It
was an
slide
accident.
down. I was
Yeah.
like, oh my god, what are you gonna do?
But then what happened?
And then we found it back.
Then Dad jumped in and got it for her.
I did jumping too.
You jumped in. She jumped
we
in
both
first.
did. It was funny because I was like, God, the water's so murky and it's really cloudy, and like, I just want to see, Lord, will you just open up the clouds, give me some sun, clear up the water for 1 second so I can see. And I looked down, and sure enough, like that moment, like God opened the clouds, the sun shined down, and I could see the phone.
Grabbed it, yeah, which is kind of cool. Like
it was pretty
just
awesome.
Small answered.
God
prayers,
answers
too.
even the smallest prayers. So,
Yeah.
anyway, we love you guys. Can't wait to see you next time. there will be a lot more house progress by then.
We're gonna show you. We're gonna do like an empty home tour really soon.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm just glad that we're one step closer.
Yeah. So see you soon.
Bye, guys. Bye. Bye. Bye.
This is how you cook the sweet potato. Here. You want to bite? Not bad.
That's really good.
I told you.
Nice.
For your name's sake, you will lead me back home to you. God, for your name's sake, you will lead